Boostly Podcast, Season 7, Episode 13, and today I'm going to show you and talk to you about how by showing confidence then you will increase your direct bookings. What is the one big tip that you would pass on to a hospitality owner when it's about getting more direct bookings?
Simple. It's display credibility and confidence. If you haven't got that, then your conversion rates are just far too low. So credibility and confidence. So the only way really now is by giving all of your details to a third party verification system and saying, check me out and then show me a verification.
What is the one most common mistake that you've seen? I mean, you've been doing this for a long time. You've been property yourself, and now you're doing iPrac since the middle of the 2010s. What's the one mistake that you see accommodation owners make when they start to list their property online, and when it comes to what we're talking about?
From property owner point of view, I think they're too eager to accept the booking, and I think that comes from a various points of view. When, I mean, listen, most people who are looking to rent their property, they're not doing it because they love it. They're doing it for the incomes. Let's be honest. Some of them want to maximize their incomes and do as many rentals as possible. Some choose certain periods to minimize and just pay certain taxes and different things. But I think generally is that they tend to not do enough checks on whether these people are the right people. You have to cash the caution, because checks just, we all know the difference in checks, but the day you cash the caution that's when you know that your client is serious about protecting your property and doing the right thing.